Brake. A device used to slow or stop a vehicle. She pressed the brake to stop the car. The bike's brake needs repair. Always check your brakes before driving. He heard a noise when he hit the brake. The mechanic is fixing the car's brakes.